Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system and updates, date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, you have to disable this feature set automatically. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone here, and you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And there's also an option dual clocks, display 2 clocks when you are away from your home time zone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.